lọ sí. Even though you don't know the correct translation of everything, if you start with this, they will know that at least you know how to begin your construction. Mo ń fẹ́, I want, right? See that? Or I like, or I love. Mi ò fẹ́, mi ò fẹ́, I don't want, right? You see how that is so simple? How to construct it? Because if you put all this in your mind, if you embed this in your mind, it stays there and you will never ever have problem constructing a sentence. You will not be stuck. Like when they're saying Yoruba to you now, you want to respond in English. But instead of responding in English, all this will start to randomly come to your mind and then you start to use them. Law, you know law is go, right? Simple. So, what's me? Mo. What's I want something? Want. Go. Mo fẹ́ lọ. Yeah, right? So, but in straight English will be I want to go, right? But here, this is proper. Mo fẹ́ lọ, go. And then that already settles the sentence for you because you have somewhere you want to go in mind. For example, mo fẹ́ lọ sí church, right? And in Yoruba will be what? Ilé ẹ̀sìn, but we call it church, right? Because Yoruba don't have no C, right? So we put the SH there. So, lọ. Now, present continuous. When you are going, you are just walking like this and you are talking at the same time. You are already stepping out, you carry your bag, you want to go out, and then you just say, mo, no, good. Now, when they ask you a question, now, nobody asks you a question here, you just say, mo ń lọ sí so and so and so, right? Let me put C there. That's also equally important. C2. Alright? Somewhere. So you are going somewhere and you say where you are going. If you have it in your mind already, mo ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ uncle, right? Mo ń lọ sí market. Mo ń lọ sí ọjà. Ọjà is market, right? So now I want you to construct a word verbally in your mind. I want you to memorize all this, put it in your mind, and start to say the words. And start to add it to what you already have in mind to do. You can write it in pencil, scribble it down, and then say it out. Right? Don't worry about the accent will come later. Right? So you want to do this, maybe give me like 3 sentences and construct them with just these simple words right here with the N. Infect. Wanting. Or loving. When somebody does something to you and you don't like it, you know, elbowing you, you personally go into the passage and the person elbows you and you say, I don't like it or I don't want. And then you say, mi ò fẹ́ o, mi ò fẹ́. And when you put the O there, that's emphasis. Mi ò fẹ́ o. O means you better stop that. Right? Mo ń fẹ́, I want. You know, I'm liking it. Mo ń fẹ́, I'm liking it. Meal. I don't want that. Do you want macaroni and cheese? I don't want that. Do you like eba and vegetable stew? Mo fẹ́. If you don't like it, you say mi ò fẹ́. Alright? You see how simple that is? So if you memorize these words, they are your building blocks to learning Yoruba. Alright? Because your mom will always ask you a question every day. Ṣé o ti jẹun? Did you eat? Meal. We didn't add T yet. That's how we build. Have not. Meal. Tea. Jẹun. So any word you want to choose will fit in there, right? That's how you start to do it. Right now you'll be mixing it with your English. Mo fẹ́ lọ sí Wendy's, right? Mo fẹ́ lọ sí Wendy's because we don't have no Yoruba word for Wendy's. Wendy is Wendy. It's somebody's name, right?
No, Wendy's is like a place.
I know it's like a place, but somebody's name is Wendy too. And maybe the owner of that place actually is Wendy. Or the founder of the place is Wendy. Right? But you forgot that. So, but as you are eating that food, remember that it's also a name. Okay? Doing that action right now. When you say mo, lo, I'm going. Stepping out. Right? That's mo lo. Now, when I say mo fẹ́ lọ, I want to go. Maybe they are telling you stay for more, like 10 more down. You memorize them, so you know how to choose them and juggle them in your mind. That means you have to memorize. In Yoruba, we do memory verses, right? Memory verses is verses that you are taught that you must not forget. Just like the Morasishe Oremi verse. And we're going to learn a song today. Right? You learn a song, you memorize that song, you sing it to mommy. Right? And she might give you a gift for singing that song. Can you sing? So. Don't worry. You learn it. Lo, mbo. This N is also like this M. So that is, it's happening right now. Or somebody is calling you. Ade, come. You say, mbo. Mo, mbo, I'm coming, right? Like that. Nfe, it could be, yeah, nfe is correct. Nfe, and the accent will go like this, accent will go like that. Lo, neutral. Fe, go like that. Mo, neutral. Nfe, want. I'm wanting it, liking it, right? I like it. I'm liking it. The music is going on. Say, liking it. Open your head like this. Liking it. Yes, like that. C, 2. So this C is like putting something inside a bowl or putting water inside a cup. That's what this C means here. But when you are using it in a sentence, yes, go ahead.
So I'm still confused. So, like I wouldn't say more fancy, I would say
Mo fẹ́ lọ. Huh? Mo fẹ́ rán.
Or no?
No, say the word so I know exactly what you are pointing at. Láti. Láti. Wá. Sí. Yoruba class. But in real sense, it will be IleOduduwa. Right? But let's tolerate this for now. Here is the correct spelling. Wá sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ Yoruba. Right? You see that? Mo fẹ́ràn láti wá sí. You constructed this by yourself. With a little help. But you initiated it because you thought of the idea in your mind before you brought it out. I just helped you to finish it off. Right? And this is how you're going to be building it. And now, when I start to see the mistakes, as I start to show you that here is the mistake, here is how you will say it in Yoruba. Because the correct way of saying it in English does not really translate the same way in Yoruba. Sometimes they switch the words back to make it correct. Okay. So as we are going, we are advancing with these words that is very frequently used in Yoruba. Mo is frequently used. Fe. Yes. When you are talking to somebody, that is Iwo. Iwo means you. Me means me. You see that difference? Me and mo are the same thing. Me and mo. But you can use this me in a different kind of sentence. Instead of saying me, right? We say me. When you say meal, it's still also relevant. A meal. Say you don't want to eat something. Say it. I don't want to eat. A meal come. Nothing is come. Write it down. Nothing. You know. If they say níbo ni o ti já wá, that's offensive. Olùgbọ́wọ́ mi.
Ìyá lolùgbọ́wọ́ mi.
Tí ń tọ́jú mi.
Tí ń tọ́jú mi.
Ní kékeré.
Ní kékeré.
Ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ló fi ń pọ́n mi.
Ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ló fi pọ́n mi.
Ìyá kú iṣẹ́ o.
Ìyá kú iṣẹ́ o.
Now let me explain. Olùgbọ́wọ́ mi tí ń tọ́jú mi ní kékeré. Ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ ló fi ń pọ́n mi. Ìyá kú iṣẹ́